In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Salesforce with Outlook. Connecting these two essential tools not only streamlines your workflow, but also ensures that you never miss out on important updates or information. So, let's dive right in and get started on this integration. First, let's begin by accessing Salesforce. Once you've successfully logged into your account, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll spot the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to accessing the setup. By clicking here, we're entering the configuration settings, which is where most integrations and customizations happen in Salesforce. This is your command center for making Salesforce work the way you need it to. Next, to make things quicker and easier, we'll utilize the Quick Find box. This is a handy shortcut tool that helps you locate specific settings in a flash. Type in Outlook Integration and Sync. As you do this, you'll notice the list updating with relevant matches. Select the option that says Outlook Integration and Sync. This is the section we need to enable the necessary services to kick off the integration process between Salesforce and Outlook. With the Outlook Integration section open, you'll come across a toggle switch. The next step is to toggle the Outlook integration to On. By doing this, you're activating the integration features, which make Salesforce ready to communicate seamlessly with Outlook. Toggling this feature effectively sets the foundation for linking both platforms, ensuring a smooth setup. Now, it's time to move on to downloading the necessary application. Just below the Outlook integration settings, you'll find an option called Microsoft App Source. By clicking on this, you'll be redirected to the Microsoft App Store. The Microsoft App Store is a resourceful place, housing a variety of apps that can be synchronized with Microsoft products. For our purposes, we're looking for the Salesforce app, specifically designed to work seamlessly within Outlook. Once you've made your way to the Microsoft App Store, you'll notice the option to Get It Now. Go ahead and click on this button and follow the on-screen instructions to install the Salesforce app. The steps here are straightforward, designed to guide you through the download and installation process seamlessly. Make sure to carefully review any prompts to ensure that permissions are correctly set. Granting the appropriate permissions is crucial, as it allows the integration to function without any hiccups. With the module now installed, your Outlook will be enhanced with the functionality to access Salesforce data directly within your email client. This seamless integration ensures that whether you're reading emails or managing customer data, all your information is centralized and easy to manage. By following these steps, you've successfully linked Salesforce with Outlook. This integration not only helps in maintaining a more organized workflow, but also improves collaboration, data accuracy, and efficiency in communication. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next time.